Tuloy-tuloy yung ating heart health journey and today magluluto tayo ng isang meal para sa akin. Very typical but very masarap. Fried tilapia with sautéed kangkong. Let's start cooking. So the challenge talaga of eating healthy is finding food na delicious, accessible sa iyo at madali na rin gawin. Ito gagawa tayo. Of course, everybody loves fried tilapia. So hindi ko na i-deprive yung sarili ko na kumain ng fried food. Basta healthy yung aking cooking oil. And ito siya, I have a whole tilapia. Ito siya, meal ko na to siya. It's my meal. Kahit may konting carbs kasi I will dredge my fish in some flour. Season my fish with salt, pati yung loob. And eto, dredge ko lang siya ng flour ko. Pero before that, turn up my heat and I will fry with canola oil. Yan. So, healthier oil. Not too much, no? Not too much din natin i-deep fry siya. Dredge in harina or cornstarch. And we are ready to fry. And ito, iwas talsik din siya because the harina or the cornstarch will absorb the moisture or the water from the fish. Good. Yan. Ito, fry muna tayo. And ito, luto na yung aking fish. I will show you it's beautifully golden. Crispy siya. Oh, look at that. Diba ang ganda niya? And pag nagpiprito kayo, make sure that your fish or kahit anong niluluto mo ay properly thawed out. So ito dapat room temp na siya para when you cook, of course, it will cook through. And our fish is done. Fish. Yan. Ito na yung aking tilapia. And I will strain. Ito siya para hindi ka masayangan ng oil. You always just keep on straining your oil, no? Yan. Just add a little bit here. So I will saute my garlic. Dapat hindi masyadong mainit yung aking oil, no? Para hindi siya masunog agad. Yan. Saute, no? Saute para lumabas yung ating garlic flavor. Sobrang simple ng recipe. Pero sometimes kasi, we really have to make our food delicious and healthy at the same time. No? Kasi sometimes, puro lang tayo masarap. Pero, hindi healthy. Ito siya, balance. You need your fiber. So, ito, green leafy vegetables. Pwede dito sa pechay, spinach. Yan, no? And I love this so much kasi, obviously, gusto natin yung pagkain natin na adobo-ish yung feel. So, oyster sauce, around 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Oysterific oyster sauce. A little bit of water. Ito, may water tayo dito. Ito, look at that, no? Pero pag maluto mo yung vegetable mo, kukunti talaga siya. Masarap din to. Lagyan mo ng konting chopped chilies, no? Para maanghang. Will also help you with your metabolism. O, di ba? And I don't like overcooking my green vegetables. Yan, and I will just finish with a little bit of calamansi juice. Yan. So, very nice, no? You can add carrots here, bell peppers. Finish with a little bit of black pepper. Yan. Not too much. And we are done. Have this with rice. Don't have it with rice. Pwede din dito, meron kang fried tofu on the side, di ba? Ito na yung meal mo. Huwag ka na mag-carbs. Ito talaga, tuloy-tuloy yung ating heart health journey kasi ako naman, I'm really trying to be healthier and I've lost some weight. I'm so happy. Then ang ating sauce, you can either serve it over your vegetable or serve it in a bowl on the side. Ang ating recipe for today, ang sarap-sarap, fried tilapia with sautéed kangkong. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!